Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Present simple. Affirmative sentences. I do.
Se usa para indicar rutinas, acciones repetitivas, hechos generales, datos y estadísticas.
Rules for the third person.
En las sentencias afirmativas del presente simple, a la tercera persona singular se le agrega s, es o yes según la terminación del verbo. Usualmente se le agrega la s a la mayoría de ellos.
Example. Read.
Read.
Reads.
Reads.
He reads a lot.
He reads a lot.
Want.
Want.
Wants.
Wants.
She wants an ice cream.
She wants an ice cream.
Verbos con terminación i. Cuando el verbo está precedido de vocal, se agrega s.
Example. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Enjoys.
Enjoys.
She enjoys her time teaching.
She enjoys her time teaching.
Cuando el verbo está precedido de consonante, se debe reemplazar la i por la terminación dies.
Example. Study.
Study.
Studies.
Studies.
He studies at home.
He studies at home.
Verbos con terminación ss, ex, sh o ch. En estos casos, se agrega des al final del verbo.
Example. Pass.
Pass.
Passes.
Passes.
She always passes her exams.
She always passes her exams.
Fix.
Fix.
Fixes.
Fixes.
Elliot fixes his car every week.
Elliot fixes his car every week.
Finish.
Finish.
Finishes.
Finishes.
He finishes his work early.
He finishes his work early.
Watch.
Watch.
Watches.
Watches.
She watches television at night.
She watches television at night.
Structure. Subject. Plus. Verb. Plus. Complement. Examples. They have a lot of homework.
They have a lot of homework.
They have a lot of homework.
I like chocolate cake.
I like chocolate cake.
I like chocolate cake.
They read a lot.
They read a lot.
They read a lot.
He works in a bank.
He works in a bank.
He works in a bank.
Rita lives in Colombia.
Rita lives in Colombia.
Rita lives in Colombia.
It rains a lot in winter.
It rains a lot in winter.
It rains a lot in winter.
He has a shower every day.
He has a shower every day.
He has a shower every day.
You sometimes walk to work.
You sometimes walk to work.
You sometimes walk to work.
He usually plays football on Saturdays.
He usually plays football on Saturdays.
He usually plays football on Saturdays.
This dress costs a lot.
This dress costs a lot.
This dress costs a lot.
He works very hard.
He works very hard.
He works very hard.
He speaks English fluently.
He speaks English fluently.
He speaks English fluently.
We often go away at weekends.
We often go away at weekends.
We often go away at weekends.
I usually watch TV in the evening.
I usually watch TV in the evening.
I usually watch TV in the evening.
I go to school every day.
I go to school every day.
I go to school every day.
He lives in a big house in New York.
He lives in a big house in New York.
He lives in a big house in New York.
She wants to be a teacher.
She wants to be a teacher.
She wants to be a teacher.
I like meeting new people.
I like meeting new people.
I like meeting new people.
She plays volleyball with her friends.
She plays volleyball with her friends.
She plays volleyball with her friends.
She practices cycling.
She practices cycling.
She practices cycling.
Water boils at 100 degrees.
Water boils at 100 degrees.
Water boils at 100 degrees.
She loves love movies.
She loves love movies.
She loves love movies.
She teaches at the university.
She teaches at the university.
She teaches at the university.
She always arrives early.
She always arrives early.
She always arrives early.
I always have breakfast.
I always have breakfast.
I always have breakfast.
She always passes her exams.
She always passes her exams.
She always passes her exams.
You finish your homework quickly.
You finish your homework quickly.
You finish your homework quickly.
My dad watches television every day.
My dad watches television every day.
My dad watches television every day.
We play in the garden in the afternoons.
We play in the garden in the afternoons.
We play in the garden in the afternoons.
I study at a big university.
I study at a big university.
I study at a big university.
I like to walk in the countryside.
I like to walk in the countryside.
I like to walk in the countryside.
He drives home every day.
He drives home every day.
He drives home every day.
They seem to be at home.
They seem to be at home.
They seem to be at home.
It smells nice.
It smells nice.
It smells nice.
She plays the guitar.
She plays the guitar.
She plays a guitar.
He drives a bus.
He drives a bus.
He drives a bus.
The cafe opens in the mornings.
The cafe opens in the mornings.
The cafe opens in the mornings.
They learn mathematics.
They learn mathematics.
They learn mathematics.
I get up early.
I get up early.
I get up early.
He goes away every year.
He goes away every year.
He goes away every year.
Nurses look after patients.
Nurses look after patients.
Nurses look after patients.
I like to chat with my friends.
I like to chat with my friends.
I like to chat with my friends.
She knows how to iron clothes.
She knows how to iron clothes.
She knows how to iron clothes.
He gets angry easily.
He gets angry easily.
He gets angry easily.
I like to eat ice cream.
I like to eat ice cream.
I like to eat ice cream.
I think Louisa is Mexican.
I think Louisa is Mexican.
I think Louisa is Mexican.
You look very good today.
You look very good today.
You look very good today.
I usually feel tired in the morning.
I usually feel tired in the morning.
I usually feel tired in the morning.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I love life.
I love life.
I love life.
Thanks
For watching.